Now this is a corkscrew graph that shows the positions of Jupiter's moons with respect to Jupiter. Now normally when you look at Jupiter up in the sky, you'll see a bright dot and you'll see 4 dots usually, unless one's in front of or behind Jupiter, but you'll see some dots around Jupiter. The question is, which dot is which moon? This corkscrew graph will tell you which moon is which. And here's how you read it. You see this thick line down the middle? That's the diameter of Jupiter itself, okay? And each one of these wavy lines is a different moon. For example, this large wavy line here, this is Callisto, and the little tiny one that wiggles in and out and never gets very far from Jupiter, that's Io. Ganymede is the one that gets furthest out other than Callisto. It's actually the largest moon in our entire solar system. And Europa is the other wavy line. Okay, great. But what does this have to do with the image that you see through your binoculars? Let me show you. Now you'll notice there's a month with numbers underneath it. So for the month of November, this is November 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, all the way down. So you find the day that you're observing on. So let's say we're observing on November 9th. So let's say we go out and in our binoculars, we see something that looks like this. We see a big bright light, and then we see a little dot here. We see another little dot here. We see a dot here and a dot here. Well, which one's which? Okay, so we look on November 9th, and the furthest dot that's over here, that's going to be Callisto. So I can write that here, Callisto. Okay, and the next dot over is going to be Io. Okay, and then we go over here on November 9th, and the middle, that's Jupiter. Then the one that's next out, I follow it along until I see the title, which is down here. It's Europa. Okay, so this one's Europa. Okay, and then the green line over here, that's going to be Ganymede. So I now know when I look in my binoculars and I can share with people, I can say, hey, see that big dot in the middle? That's Jupiter. And then over here on this side, it's going to be Europa and Ganymede. Over here, the closest one is Io, and here's Callisto. So that's how you read this. By the way, this particular corkscrew graph was published in the Sky and Telescope magazine.